Right now, what are you thinking? Is it something inspiring or depressing? Yes, we live with thoughts. Whether you realize it or not, we are thinking most of our time. Either you are speaking or listening to someone, you are thinking. If you are reading a book or watching a movie, you are thinking. When you are recalling the memories from your past, you are thinking. When you are planning for future, you are thinking. When you are walking, driving, or even getting ready for your office, you are thinking. For many of us, the only time we are not thinking is when we are asleep. But in our waking time, the thoughts are fully in action in our mind. Now the point is, can we control the thoughts? There are different opinions on this. Some say, yes, we can control them. But some say, we cannot. But whatever the opinions may be, think silently about your thoughts. Have you ever tried to control them? They come, they stay, and they disappear. Some experts say thoughts have wings. They fly in our mind and they fly out. But please remember, your thoughts can make you or break you. Our mind is just like a screen, and the thoughts are the pictures we see them on that screen. Bad thought means bad picture, and the bad thoughts are very powerful to break your confidence, your willpower. They handicap you to take steps to improve your life. They dominate your mind until you replace them with good thoughts. And the moment the good thoughts take charge of your mind, all your anxiety, your depression evaporate. You feel vibrant, happy, and enthusiastic. A study says a normal human brain produces 60 to 65,000 thoughts every day. 90% of them are the same. They come in our mind over and over again. Only 10% thoughts are unique. We can grow if we capitalize these 10% unique thoughts. But the problem is, they stay in our mind very little time. And even before we realize their existence, they disappear and never ever return again. Your success mostly depends on those 10% unique thoughts your brain rarely produces in your mind. Hold them and execute them in your action and see the difference. Now the point is how to grow those positive thoughts in our brain. Well, I can suggest you a few strategies to cultivate the positive thoughts in your brain. And here they are. Here is number one. Just get out of your known environment. Go to some unknown place. Go anywhere which is new to you. Spend some silent hours there. See the nature closely. Listen the sounds all around you. Just do nothing. Just feed your brain something beautiful you see in the nature. Slowly, you will begin to feel better. And that beautiful feeling will produce positive thoughts. Nurture them properly. Here is number two. Read positive books. Do you know what is our mind's food? It's nothing but thoughts. Good books produces good thoughts. Feed your mind with those thoughts. Here is number three. Take positive actions. Positive actions mostly produces positive results, and that will make you happy. And a happy mind always produces positive thoughts. Here is number four. Relax your brain with the positive memories of your past. The day when you passed the board exam, the day when you got the first job, the day when you got married. For a while, stick to those happy memories. Your positive thoughts start to flow. Here is number five. Don't keep anything pending for the last date. Pending work always haunts you. It produces fear, anxiety, and negativity. So finish your work at the earliest. That will make you confident and most importantly, positive. So design your life with these 5 life-changing steps I'm sure your thoughts will be positive, your action will be positive, and most importantly, you will be positive. If you like this video, please share it and please hit the like button. And if you're first time in my channel, please subscribe the channel. Meet you very soon with another video. Till then, goodbye and stay happy.